Hello friends, you can see lot of gardening equipment over here. Today we are going to quickly see a portable lawn. So what is this? As you can see, we have in this basket, okay, lawn, and which is portable, so you can keep it anywhere in your living room, bedroom, entrance of the house for decoration purpose, and you can make it on a bigger scale, so it gives a feel of real life lawn. I will quickly show you how to prepare this. It's pretty simple. So first, we have this basket. This is available in the market easily, so you get this cane basket. Then second, we have the cocoa peat over here. For cocoa peat, this is powder cocoa peat. What we have is a block, cocoa peat block, which is available in the plant nursery. And in my previous video, I had shown the cocoa peat block. If you have seen my previous video on how to set up a garden in a balcony without soil. Okay, so this is the crush of the cocoa peat block. It is very fragile. You can by hands also easily loosen it. So this is the second thing we will need in place of soil. We are not using any soil. Then thirdly, what we need is this farm seeds. This is one company. There can be another company also. These are hybrid seeds called as Bermuda grass farm seeds. Okay, so I will show you how they look like. So this is how they look. Okay, so these are the farm seeds. These are the Bermuda grass seeds. There are variety of uh, grass seeds available in the nursery, or you can get them online also. And we have to first make a layer of this in the basket, the cocoa peat. On top of it, say half the basket, and then spread this seeds evenly into this basket with the base of cocoa peat. Then we will again top up with cocoa peat, and then we have to put manure, which is the vermicompost. It looks like this. Okay, black brown color. Okay, this is also available in the nursery. So then you put this, and then again top up with the cocoa peat. That's it. We don't need any soil in this. And then we are going to spray water with a spray bottle. You spray water on this once a day is sufficient. During the summer time, you can spray 2 times or 3 times a day, considering the green color of the grass. If you feel it is becoming dry, you can spray water, but you don't have to make it too wet. All otherwise, the cocoa peat will start flowing out of the cane. Okay, not to pour bottle for two reasons. One is we are doing everything in the cane basket, and the cocoa peat is porous. It can hold a lot of water, but it's not like soil. It doesn't coagulate. So if you pour more water, the water will start draining. Okay, so this is how you prepare it. It's pretty simple. In 3 to 4 days, the grass will start to grow, and you can see it coming out. And this is 10 days old grass, so it is almost 3 inches. Okay, and if you want, you can put a hanging chain to this, so that if you want to hang it somewhere, you can hang it this way. You do need sunlight for this grass, so at least 2 3 hours in a day. You can keep it. This is portable anyway, so you can keep it in a balcony or window where you get ample light, and then remaining day you can keep it in shadow, and you use it for decoration wherever you want. Thank you. Thanks for watching.